In many ways, the National Research Platform is a continuation of the Pacific Research Platform, an expansion. And our group definitely uses that to a very high degree of success. So my work focuses on trying to better understand the fundamental building blocks of nature. The way we do this is we collide protons at very, very high energies at the CERN Large Hadron Collider, located in Geneva, Switzerland. And then we analyze what comes out of those collisions, so the particles that come streaming out of those collisions. And we do that in order to better understand the fundamental physical laws. We train machine learning models for all kinds of purposes for particle physics tasks, things like being able to identify which kind of particles came out of the collision, or classify events as potentially anomalous. And this requires training on lots of GPUs, and so having this kind of potluck supercomputing where we can take advantage of when a GPU becomes available and train a model, it's really kind of changed the way we access these huge resources.
So because we do a lot of high-performance computing related research, we use NRP mainly as one of our computational facilities. So our goal is to significantly increase the computational infrastructure for robotic deep learning, where we can enable drones to fly autonomously or cars to drive self-driving cars on campus. Now, these data are just sitting on the hard disk right now and not being used by machine learning algorithms properly. So in order to process and analyze this huge amount of data, we plan to build a computational cluster. This cluster will include several hundreds of GPUs, data storage, and CPU servers. So we will integrate these computational servers into the NRP platform, and we also want to share our resources with other researchers on campus.
NRP is another very unusual project because it is both a community and an NSF Category 2 machine, a supercomputer. It's a community in that the project that the NSF funds supports what we call bring your own resource. It supports community to buy their own hardware and us to operate that hardware within the National Research Platform context. NRP is therefore a totally national distributed system. It's already overfulfilled its promise, and it isn't really commissioned yet. The total amount of hardware that we expect to be having on NRP by January 1st is about 3 times what the NSF has funded.